We were just sitting down to dinner outside, and about 200 metres away, a building was hit.
Roseanne, you moved there, your husband, the dog, the baby, about a month ago, and now you're in the middle of this very odd, I would assume, frightening situation.
Yeah, basically we relocated here about a month ago to expand our IT business, whole family in tow. Like on Saturday, it was the first kind of we really heard about the unrest. We were a little bit on edge, but we decided, look, we should be safe enough maybe to go out for dinner. About 6:30 p.m. we were just sitting down to dinner outside, and about 200 metres away, a building was hit. We literally just grabbed the baby and ran as quick as we could. And then Saturday night, things got a bit worse. So we had an alert to everybody's phone about 12 p.m. Everybody to get to shelter and situ in place. So we were in the basement of the building. Everybody decided that was the safest place to be, down beside the car parks. On Sunday, then everybody was out in the common areas around the pools and coffee shop, just talking about what was happened. Everybody's kind of keeping the children calm and then playing together. While missiles are going overhead and being intercepted, and you're hearing the loud kind of boom noises, which I believe is the interceptions. So it's really surreal.
The situation is kind of intense. We can see missiles being intercepted over our heads.
So what are you doing in Dubai?
So we're here on a trip, myself and four of my best friends, because we were all turning 40 on the 1 year. And I suppose at this time of the year, our babies were over the 1 year mark. So we said we'd all be, well able to leave them. We were due to fly back today at 2:00.
So now you can't get out.
Yeah.
I take it you won't be leaving today. Are you certain of that?
Yeah, we're certain of that. We just want to get home to our families. It's so upsetting. And for 5 women who are from Roscommon to see and witness what we're witnessing. And I know people are saying, it's very calm. But when you've never been in this situation before and you have no date or time to get home or get out to your families, it's so concerning.
I'm sure the families at home are worried about you. They're probably delighted to hear you now on the radio. But you have small ones at home.
Oh, Claire, I have 2 babies and Kate is 2 on Wednesday, I have a 3-year-old. The girls here, our kids are all ranging between 1 and 5. We just want to get home.